Welcome, class. Today, our session title is Week 6, Session 24, Solubility, Conductivity, and Properties. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to connect bonding and intermolecular forces to solubility and conductivity. Listen for these key terms: solubility, conductivity, electrolyte, like dissolves like, aqueous. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Properties make bonding visible. Ionic compounds may dissolve in water when ion-dipole attractions between water and ions overcome lattice attractions. Polar substances often dissolve in polar solvents, while nonpolar substances dissolve better in nonpolar solvents. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Use two questions. Are charged particles mobile? Are the solute-solvent attractions favorable? These questions explain conductivity and solubility better than memorizing isolated facts. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Why salt water conducts? Solid sodium chloride does not conduct electricity well because its ions are fixed in a lattice. When sodium chloride dissolves in water, Na+ and Cl- ions separate and move through solution. These mobile ions carry charge, so salt water conducts electricity. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Sugar dissolves in water, but does not form ions. Sugar solution therefore conducts poorly compared with salt solution. Dissolving and ionizing are not the same idea. Now answer this self-check. Why does salt water conduct electricity? A strong answer should include mobile ions. Hint: dissolved ions can move and carry charge. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Predict whether solid sodium chloride, molten sodium chloride, and sodium chloride AQ conduct electricity. Task 2. Explain why oil and water do not mix well. Task 3. Compare sugar solution and salt solution as electrolytes. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.